Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my travel jewelry case. I purchased this organizer because I was carrying my jewelry around in a little suede pouch that I would have had to dump out just to find what I was looking for and then go through a detangling process in order to get what I need. I needed something that was small and compact since I do travel often, and something that would be functional and allow me to easily see everything that I have. And this case has the perfect design for that. I use it when I travel and as my organizer at home because I've decluttered so much of my jewelry that I don't use and streamlined my jewelry style. I am a firm believer in everything having its place, so I love that it keeps everything organized. The black exterior gives it a timeless and sophisticated look, and the zipper, it keeps everything enclosed so I don't have to worry about losing pieces. And I love the inclusion of a mirror. So if you are looking for a jewelry case that will keep you organized, I think this is a great option. And that's my point of view.